Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to the Carta Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the little crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, guys. So today I'm going to be doing a monthly, well, not a monthly, a plan with me and my Aura Estelle, not Aura Estelle. Geez Louise. My TPC Nation Hybrid Planner. This one is the one with the journaling. I use it as a mermaid keeping. This is how last week's spread turned out. And so I can flip on over. Yeah. Louise, where are you? Where are you? This is what it looks like without the stickering. Alright, so we're just gonna do Monday to Wednesday because I don't have a lot of time and I will film the rest later. So here we are. I don't have the I thought I had them, but I must have left them in my bag in the other car. And that car right now is parked someplace else. And I can't get to it. So it's not, how do I explain it? It's a long story. It's safe. It's fine. Anyway, so I'm going to be using the cookie kit. I love saying it that way. So here is the beautiful artwork. I love that of the family. We have the date covers and the washi and some more deco. Then we have the icon sheet with the weekend banner, scallop labels, and flags. And then we have the half and quarter boxes with more scallop labels. Then we have the week checklist, deco washi, 3-heart checklist, bill pay, habit checkers, and sorry, more labels. And then we have the full heart checklist. So I am going to be using also from, oh, and that is from Sassy Planico. My apologies. Oh, Eileen, it has been a rough morning. I'll explain to you that in a hot minute. All right, so we're going to be using from her shop as well. We're going to be using the trash stickers. We're going to be using the telephone canceled, and that is why I'm so frazzled. I don't know if I'm going to use the dinner stickers, but maybe. Recharge, sleep, emojis, lazy. Okay, so to whatchamacallit, the washi, not the washi, the glitters that I'm using is from the Sticker Shop Co. because I don't know where the other ones went. I'm going to be using school stickers, and I wanted to use the orange and black plan with me. Again, I don't know if she's still open, but I will link down everything down below. And Planner Frenzy is the school stickers. Alrighty, so let's get on with it. So today I had back-to-back meetings pretty much. One was for my son's school and one was for my therapy session. And right as I was about to come in, they canceled that meeting. Anyway, guys, so I am going to be switching up the glitter headers later on. I am using the cookie kit again from Sassy Planico. I love working for her. She's amazing, and I love the kits that she uses. If you use Eileen20, you get 20% off. Half and quarter boxes to mark work and school. Again, Planner Frenzy, the little cute buses, and the word school or the word script or sticker icon is from her shop. Alrighty, guys, so I'm sorry about that. So I know that I originally said that I was going to try and do more like non-fast forward videos, but unfortunately it just didn't work out that way. So here is how the first half of the week turned out, and then we're gonna just start with the second half of the week. I did add in Savannah Paper Co.'s sampler. This was a couple of years ago. I still had it. And then anything else that I added? No, everything else you guys know. Oh, the washi that I have. So let's get started. I did add in some glitter headers from some other kits that I have. And I thought that it matched nicely with the kit, even though I'm so upset. I don't know if I really misput, where did I put those date dots at. So we're going to put the date covers on, and then keep it moving. So I'm going to fast forward this so I don't keep you guys any longer. Alrighty, so now we put down the washi and we are going to be putting on these gorgeous day covers that are part of the kit. I am going to be putting down the half boxes to mark days off, and I'm also going to be using the labels. I also want to mention that those gorgeous tweezers are from Ceci Planico. Those are her customizable tweezers. They come in bent and they come in the straight form. I have shown them before, but if you guys want to see them again, let me know so that I can share with you what they look like up close. I also have shared them on my Instagram account. And so now we're going to be putting some Planner Frenzy school stickers and her cute little icon stickers. I accidentally put one for Saturday. And now I'm going to be putting down the gorgeous banner from Ceci Planico's kit. You guys know I have a love affair of the kit. So we are putting down Happy Meal stickers. I forgot that I will be receiving a package, so I wanted to mark that down. And so we're going to be putting down 3 heart checklists and some deco. So as you can see, that's another reason why I kind of speed up the video, because I am very indecisive when it comes to planning. So now we're going to be using up the rest of the what I like to call the thicker washi strips and the full heart checklist, and adding some deco here and there. Up top I'm going to be using a box to mark off the rest of the week, and that will be good. Alrighty guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and bye for now.